Here are 5 Instagram tips and tricks that you should try. Number 1. Automatically filter inappropriate comments. Instagram now allows users to hide inappropriate comments by filtering out certain customizable keywords. To use this feature, simply navigate to your user settings from your profile, scroll down through your options and tap Comment Controls under the Settings section to block comments from specific users, hide offensive comments and manually create filters for specific words or phrases. Number 2. Pause, rewind, fast forward, and skip through stories. There are a few better solutions to re-watching a story all over again. To pause a story, just tap and hold. To rewind a story, tap the top left of the screen beneath the user's profile photo and username. To fast forward through a user's multiple stories, just tap the screen. And to skip an entire user's stories, swipe left. Number 3. Allow messages on stories only from followers you follow back. Access your user settings from your profile and select Story Settings under the Account section. Here, you can set your message replies up so that only followers you follow back can reply. Alternatively, you can turn them off completely. Number 4. Turn on post notifications for posts from specific users. To turn on post notifications, tap the 3 dots that appear in the upper right corner of any user's post or on their profile and select Turn on Post Notifications. You can turn them back off any time you want. Number 5. Switch from a personal profile to a business profile. Access your user settings from your profile and tap Switch to Business Profile under the Account section. You can only do this if your profile is public. A business account puts a contact button at the top of your profile and gives you access to analytics so that you can see exactly how your Instagram marketing is paying off. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.